What I'd like to do now is save my publication. It's a good habit to save regularly to minimise the amount of information you could possibly lose if your computer crashes or perhaps the network goes down. To save, I'm going to go to my Quick Access toolbar. One of the buttons on the Quick Access toolbar is the Save button. Notice the shortcut key is Control S, so alternatively I could press Control S, but I'll click this button. I'm then asked what I want to save the file as, and where I'd like to save it to. I'm going to save it to the desktop, and I'm going to give it the file name Brochure. A publisher file is in fact a pub file, so if you ever receive a pub file, then it's the Microsoft Publisher that you should use to open and view the file. So I'll just click the Save button. The title bar at the top of my screen tells me the name of the file is called Brochure. You may not see full stop pub on the end, that depends on your Windows settings, but you will see Brochure. The other thing to know is that Publisher actually automatically saves for you as well every 10 minutes, and this is like insurance. For example, if I click on File in the ribbon and I choose Options, what we have on the left hand side is Save. When I click on Save, I can see that the auto recover or the auto save has been turned on, and it saves every 10 minutes. So should the laptop battery die or the network crash or the machine just die for whatever reason outside your control, the most you'll lose is 10 minutes work. Basically, once power is restored and the laptop or the computer is going again, as soon as you open Publisher, it will open up the Brochure file, knowing that you didn't actually get a chance to save it and close it, but in fact the machine died. So just go cancel and leave it at 10 minutes. Now what I'd like to do is add some text to my text boxes, so I'm just going to click on this top text box and type Publisher. It's quite difficult to see at this level of magnification, so I might press F9. F9 is the shortcut key to zoom in. And I'm then going to click on the second text box. And I'm going to add some more text to these other boxes. Now if I type something that has a red wiggle under it, this means that Publisher doesn't recognise the word and it thinks it's possibly a spelling mistake. In this case, I'll right click the word and from the shortcut menu I'll choose the correction. Again, I've got a red wiggle under the word, so I right click the word and I choose the correction. Now that I've added text to my text boxes, I may wish to save my publication yet again. If I went back to the Quick Access toolbar, I could click the Save button, and the Save button will simply save the Brochure file with the changes I've made. It doesn't ask me any questions because it already knows to save the file as Brochure and put it on the desktop, so I just hit Save as many times as I feel necessary to ensure that the work is saved. If I want to save this file as a different name, I would then use this button, which is called Save As. If I click the Save As button, I'm able to say that I want to save this file with a different name, but I'll just press Cancel. I'd like to zoom in now so I can see my whole page, so I press the Function key F9, and that allows me to zoom in, and look at the whole page.